Hi, how are you doing today? I hope you know how important you are. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I am Teresa. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. Today we are going to organize ephemera. I have so much, and like a lot of us, and I bought these awesome new things I'm gonna try out to see if I like them, and later on down I'll give you my actual, like, if I like or not, but I need to use it for a while, so we're just gonna unbox it and fill them up and go from there. If you like this content, please think of subscribing and give this a thumbs up. That makes me know to make more content this way. So let's get organizing. Okay, so we are going to do an organized video. I bought these off of Amazon. I will try to remember the link in the bio. And I thought they'd be really good because there's like 19 compartments in all. And I thought these would be really good for ephemera. Okay, we're going to start with this because I have a lot in here. A lot of stickers, a lot of non-stickers, you know, all that kind of stuff that I just really want to go through. Now, I did buy kind of like what you would put your nuts and bolts in, and I used that. Oh, this is all, okay, there we go. So I do use it. I just, the problem is it's not as small and compact that I can put on my desk, and this is. So we're gonna just kind of switch it around. Now this is all has Paris themed, and it's in the process of being into a project. I do not remember who it's from, but we are going to just put this back in here because that is a known project. And I'm going to put all of these paper over here. There we go. All right, so we have some bigger pieces. These are from Shabby Dabby Doodah. And I don't think, yeah, no, see, they won't fit in there, which is fine. So we're gonna put bigger ephemera on the side. I'm gonna eventually make clear, half clear zipper pouches with them and go from there. So I think I'm gonna start separating some of these stickers, and granted, I don't know where I got them all. Most of them came off of Amazon, some of them AliExpress, some of them wherever, you know. So we're gonna do flower stickers in one, because I do have quite a bit of flower stickers. And then I'm going, is not put animals in another. Tags it something different. So I really hope everyone is doing good. I am doing better. Yes, last week was really, really rough, especially with my first week with both kids off in college. And oh, I'm here to tell you, empty nester stuff is it's hard. I dealt with an emotional breakdown, which I'm in the process of fixing. You guys see where I'm like, here, let me move my thing over a little bit. There we go. Okay. So yeah, I'm in the process of fixing this. My emotions, depression, all that got fired up. You know, when you plan for something and it doesn't happen due to whatever, you know, health. I had all this stuff figured out that I was going to do, and it kind of got back burner because my health wouldn't let me do it. So it was really hard, like really, really hard. Okay, so I am just separating little ephemera, flower ephemera, and words. And we're going from there. And stickers, obviously. Okay, so I have a bunch of these in here, different, you know, we have numbers, we have whatever, tons of different stuff. I'm going to empty these out into here, and I am going to use these containers to fill up with this type of stuff that I found that I would like better access to so I can use it better. And then I'm going to put these, will fit really nicely in there. So this is filled with mushrooms. We have all mushrooms. We're going to put those in there with those, and these are all plants. Maybe I should do a plant and mushroom one together. Stickers. And if I do fill this up, I will be buying more because I am really liking these so far. All right. And these are just cut aparts that I have, which I cannot remember who they're from. So right now we're going to put them in there. And I want numbers on their own. And that's what these are. So we're going to put these in a littler box. And these are all butterflies. So we are stopping for this video. I will do a part 2 of the finished product just to walk through what I finished. So in here, as you saw, were all of the little, and I'm thinking I like them because I can see what they are, and I think that would be better. In here is all of Disney, and I might just keep them up on top. And then these all need to be micro organized, and so do these, but in that. So right now it's a good beginning. Thank you for joining me. If you liked this, please think of subscribing, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.